Hello everyone. Today I will be solving question 1 to 5 of the 2013 WAEC mathematics. Now let's start the first question. In this question is from the topic in mathematics called sword. So let me first start by writing the question. I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by what? Root 3 over root 3. So now 2 root 3 will multiply root 3. So root 3, so here will now be what? 2 root 9. Because root 3 times root 3 is what? Root 9. Then this minus, I'll put it here. 5 root 2 multiply root 3 will give me 5 root 6. Everything all over. Root 3 times root 3 will give me root 9 also. Because 3 is multiplying 3. And we got 6 by 2 multiplying 3. Give us what? 6. So we continue. We say here will be 2 times root 9 is what? 3. So we say 3. Then I'll put my minus sign. 5 root 6 all over 3, because the square root of 9 is what? 3. So 2 times 3 will give me 6 minus 5 root 6. Everything all over 3. Now we rearrange this expression in this format. 6 over 3 minus 5 root 6 over 3. 6 over 3 is something as 6 divided by 3, which is what? 2 minus 5 root 6 over 3. Now this is option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. So now let's move to the next question. Now in this question we are told to approximate this number to 3 decimal places. So we write like this: 0.029646. Now I'll put my approximation sign. So if I'm approximating to decimal place, I will start counting from the place I see the point to my right hand side. So we say 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 decimal place. Then I will check the next number. Is it up to 5? Yes, it is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, I'll add 1 to this one. Here it becomes 10. And 10 is made up of the digit 1 and 0. So I'll take the 1 here and add it to this 2. It becomes what? 3. So my final answer will be 0.03. Now that's what option C. So now let's move to the next question. Now in this question we are told to multiply the 2 decimal numbers. The result of the answer, we divide it by what? Another decimal number. So we start by what? Writing the question. 0.015 times 0.063 all over 0.0013. Now 0.015 times 0.063 will give me 0.000945 all over 0.0013. Now I will use this to divide this. So 0.000945 divided by 0.0013 is equal to approximately 0.7269. Now this is what we got. We are going to transform this number to a standard form. So write 0.7269 equal to, since the 0 come before numbers in this particular number, I'm going to write it this way, converting to standard form. Here will now be 7.269 times 10 raised to power. How many zeros before the numbers? Just 1 0. So we see 10 raised to power minus 1. And that is option B. Okay, let's check out the next question. Now this next question is an inverse variation question. So we say if y vary inversely as x, so we can be written like this. Y vary inversely as x can be written like this: y vary inversely as x. Now if I remove this variation sign, it's going to turn to what? Equal to k. So y equal to k over x. K is a constant. So and they said that when y is 6, x is 1 over 2. So I replace y with 6 equal to this k all over what? 1 over 2. The next thing I'll do is to cross multiply. That is 6 times 1 over 2 equal to k. So I'll say 6 times 1 over 2 equal to k. Now 6 times 1 over 2 will give me 3. So I'll write 3 equal to k. So k equal to what? 3. Then I will say recall y equal to k over x. Y equal to k over x. So anywhere I see k, I put 3. So here will be y equal to 3 over x. Then in the question, we're told to find y when s is 1 over 3. So I will recall again. Y, this y equal to 3 over x. Now y will be equal to, this is 3, all over x is 1 over 3. So we can say y equal to this 3 divided by 1 over 3. So we say 3 divide 1 over 3. Now y will be equal to 3. Divide, we change to times. And when it does that, the 3 will come up, while 1 will come down. So we say 3 over 1. So we can say y equal to what? 3 times 3, which is what? 9. And that is what? Option B. So that's the answer. Let's move to the next question. So our last question is a direct proportion question. Okay, so we said that Okon won a 200-meter race in 25 seconds. So since it's the direct proportion question, I will write it like this: 200 meter in 25 seconds equal to, then I said that how long in minutes will it take him to complete 800 meter? They said in minutes. So I'll first of all calculate it in seconds first. So we'll say 800 meter in x seconds. Our unknown here is x, so we cross multiply. No, let's not cross multiply. Let's divide first. 200 can divide 25. So 200 divided by 25 will give me what? 8. 8 equal to what? 800 all over x. Now I can cross multiply. X will multiply 8. So here will be what? 8x equal to 800. Now, if I divide both sides by 8, I will get x is equal to what? 800 over 8. X is equal to 100 seconds. Now, the question did not say that we should calculate it in seconds. It said that we should calculate it in what? Minutes. And we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So we can say 60 seconds make 1 minute. Then 100 seconds will make y minute. Now our unknown this time is what? Y. Then now we are going to cross multiply. 60 we multiply y, so here will be what? 60y equal to 100 times 1 will give us what? 100. So here will be y equal to 100 over 60 when we divide both sides by 60. So 0 we divide 0, since both of them end with 0. So 0 divided by 0. So we are left with what? Y equal to 10 over 6. But this 10 over 6 can be what? Reduced to the lowest term. 2 can divide the numerator and can also divide the denominator. So we say 10 divided by 2 will give us what? Y equal to 5. 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. So now I have to change this one to what? A mixed fraction. So we say y equals to 5 divided by 3 is what? 1. Remainder 2 all over what? 3. So our answer is what? C. So this is what we'll stop for today. We'll continue solving from question 6 in our next class. Thank you so much.